I still remember the day Oliver called me, his voice trembling. He was on the verge of tears, months behind on bills, feeling ashamed and exhausted. He'd tried everything to make a breakthrough online, dumping money into ads, churning out endless posts, and even begging for freelancing jobs. But it all left him broke, frustrated, and hopeless. He said, "I feel like I'm watching everyone else succeed while I'm stuck in the same spot. My family's depending on me, and I'm letting them down." I could hear his desperation, and it tore me up inside because I know that pit of your stomach feeling when you want to scream at the world for leaving you behind. That's when he asked, "Do you know any other way? Something, anything, that won't cost me an arm and a leg?" I hesitated. What I was about to share was my most closely guarded secret, but I decided to take a leap of faith. I handed Oliver a private access link to a cutting-edge system I'd been quietly using for the past 14 months and told him, "Give this one shot. If it doesn't change your life, I'll personally cover your next month's bills." Within 72 hours, Oliver called me again. His voice was shaking, but this time it was with excitement. He'd made more sales in those 3 days than in the past 3 months combined. His inbox was flooded with inquiries from people ready to buy. And he didn't spend a penny on ads or slave away on social media. He said, "I can't believe this is real. It's like I finally have the upper hand. It's like I was drugged, and I'm finally sober. I finally feel in control of my life. And for the first time in a really long time, I saw how proud my wife is of my success. My phone won't stop with sales notifications. I actually had to put it in silent mode so I can sleep." And that's when I knew Seed AI was going to change not just his life, but potentially anyone who felt abandoned by the so-called gurus and big ad platforms. And if you give me just 60 seconds of your time, I will show you exactly how it works and give you the same opportunity I gave to Oliver. Fair enough? Listen, the world is changing. AI is taking over everything. And it opened a floodgate of life-changing opportunities for ordinary people like you and me. And for the first time ever, I managed to leverage it to create something that drives a plethora of hyperactive and laser-targeted clicks from social media, without running any ads, without creating any content, without uploading any videos, without spamming social media, without breaking any TOs of any platform. Seed AI has opened the door to a secret realm of unlimited social media traffic, an underground way that put you in control, and allows you to drive unlimited traffic on command. Because let's be honest, the usual path is miserable. Spending your last dime on confusing ad systems that almost mock your efforts. Feeling the sting of watching your competition rake in likes, shares, and money while you scramble for crumbs. Lying awake at night with a knot in your stomach, wondering if you'll ever catch a break. How? We leverage the power of what I like to call micro-giants. I know it sounds weird, but it really does work. Take a look at this. In just 3 hours, we generated 1,104 targeted clicks in the fitness niche and made $258.35 in commission. And just the other day, we ran one simple campaign and got 3,456 in the make money niche, which resulted in $963.65 in pure commissions. Seed AI cracks the code to a legion of micro-influencers, people with smaller but fiercely loyal followings, and force them to promote anything you want. No more drowning in algorithms, no more burning money on ads. It's time to infiltrate social media's hidden goldmine. All you have to do is just log in, enter your niche, and watch the traffic pour into any link you want effortlessly. Look at the early adopters. They're reporting surges in traffic that make their competitors' eyes go wide with jealousy. They're quietly raking in sales day and night, making them feel on top of the world, while others are left scratching their heads in frustration. They're showing off new lifestyles made possible by a flood of consistent cash flow, without ever needing to show their face on camera or dance on social media. With Seed AI, you'll dominate social platforms without ever feeling out of place. Rise above your competitors so quickly it'll stir up envy in all the right places. Relish in seeing your brand everywhere without sacrificing more hours of your day. Feast on consistent leads and sales, satisfied by the steady flow of newfound income. Relax in the knowledge that this system runs almost on autopilot, giving you the freedom you secretly crave. It's the guilt-free ticket to having it all, without the drudgery that used to wear you down. Listen, I'm so sure that Seed AI can rewrite your story, just like it did for Oliver, that I'm offering you a 30-day Seed traffic guarantee. Sign up, test the system for a full month, and see how it finally frees you from the grind of pointless marketing. If you don't see a tangible surge in your audience, traffic, or sales, if you're not head over heels with the results, simply let us know, and we'll refund every cent. No questions asked. But this invitation won't last forever. We only have room for a limited number of early access members. Once we fill up, the doors slam shut. Do you really want to be left outside, watching others revel in easy traffic, effortless conversions, and the kind of recognition that turns heads? This is your chance to step up, grab hold of your own piece of the social media pie, and finally experience that unstoppable, almost addictive feeling of real success. Click the button below now and let Seed AI catapult you past the stress, cost, and confusion of traditional marketing, straight into a world where buyers come to you. Remember Oliver? He was at rock bottom, drowning in debt and self-doubt, until he took the leap. Within days, his entire life started to turn around. Don't spend another moment longing for the spotlight while others cash in. Let Seed AI be your secret weapon, the stealthy path to unlocking an abundance of fans, followers, and paying customers. Click below and secure your access now. This is your moment to seize what's rightfully yours. No more excuses.